guys ready for a present?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Sit down. Look, I have a present to open. Huh. Oh, they're really interested. Do you guys want to open these? You want to open it? Okay, tell Tammy too.
Tommy, the presents.
Okay, here's one for Russell. Tammy. Here. Okay, open it. You know who this is from?
Yeah.
This is from Allie.
Mommy.
Tear it open. Tear it open. Use your muscles. Need help?
Yeah, I need help.
Try again.
I'm gonna try.
Oh, here. I'll make a little tear, then I'll give it back to you. Okay, go ahead. I opened it. Look. Open it. Tommy's. Open it.
Oh my goodness, I get this.
Oh my goodness. That's like Grandma's. It's a hat.
Yeah.
Put it on. Let's see. That's like what Grandma wears.
Mommy,
What?
what's his hat?
You want to put it on?
What's that? His hat?
Here, show Allie. Let me see. And look at. Ah, that's awesome. What do you say?
Thank you.
Do you love it?
You do what?
Tell Allie who's coming to our house.
Mommy.
What?
Oh, Tommy.
Oh, you want to help Tommy open his? Here, I'll help you. And then you can give it to him, okay? I tear it open. Okay.
Let me get this.
Oh, that's a penguin.
The time game will pick.
You want to put it on his head? Tommy! You have a penguin on? Hey! Yeah, you're like Grandma's hats now. What is that? Tommy,
Penguins.
do you love your hat? You want to play in it? Tommy, Tommy, can you wave to Allie? Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, Russell, you know what? You want to show Allie something? Here, look at Mama. Can you tell her you're... Oh, hi. Hi, Allie. Do you want to tell Allie your planets?
No.
Oh, okay.
Never.
Never?
Never.
Try, and I'll tell Chippy.
My week, Venus, Earth. My Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
I'm telling Chippy! Okay, say Merry Christmas, Allie.
Merry Christmas, Allie.
Look at me. Say I love you.
I love ya.
Tommy, say bye-bye. Tommy, bye-bye.